Hey guys, I'm Hannah from Hers Magazine. Today we're going to be using our very own line of skincare called Heart and Healing. All the products are made with natural hibiscus flowers. We're going to start with a soap, we're going to cleanse my face, and then we're going to use a toner, and then we're going to put some moisturizer on. And I'm going to give it a sniff. It smells awesome. So first what we're going to do is we're going to work up a lather. Go ahead and get it on both of my hands and just do circular motions all around your face. And next we're going to go with the toner. And what you do with the toner is you're going to spritz it all over your face, and then you're going to take a cotton pad and just dab it on. You don't want to like rub because that's really bad for your skin. It can produce wrinkles. But okay, so first I'm just going to, this smells really good. Okay, and then I'm going to just dab it into my skin. It's pretty moisturizing. It's making my skin feel really soft. So what we're going to end with is some moisturizer. And this moisturizer, it's actually good for your entire body. You can use it on your hands, your arms, your legs, but it's also safe to use on your face because it's all natural. So I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to just start under here. Get it all under my eyes, on my nose, do my T-zone because that's a pretty dry spot for me. Say my skin feels really good, feels really clean, but not so clean that it's dry. It's definitely moisturizing. All right, and that is all three of our products. You can get these on our website, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching.